In this tutorial, you'll learn the quick steps to change a pie chart to a bar chart using Google Forms and Google Sheets. To begin, scroll to the bottom of your Google form to access the footer, and make sure you are in the right spot for managing responses. Next, click on the Responses tab to see all the collected answers in your form. This allows you to manage and analyze your data efficiently. Now, select the drop-down for your question, such as Argentina win or lose, to focus on the specific dataset you want to visualize. In the linked Google Sheet, click the Format menu and select the Chart option to insert a chart using your selected data. If you get an upgrade prompt, simply close it to continue editing your chart. Now, select your question again to confirm the correct data range for your chart. Then, go to Chart Area Options and adjust the font style if you'd like to customize the look of your chart. To change the chart type, open the Chart Type dropdown and select the bar chart instead of the default pie chart. Once you're finished, close the editor window and click Customize if you want to make any final style adjustments. Finally, close the Input editor to complete your changes and view the updated chart in your sheet. You've now learned how to switch a pie chart to a bar chart in Google Forms and Sheets.